Have you ever wondered why no matter how much you visualize, no matter how many affirmations you repeat, things don't seem to move? It's not because you're not manifesting hard enough, it's because deep down you're misaligned. Your mind says one thing, your emotions feel another, and your actions are doing something else entirely. That's like trying to drive a car with two wheels turning forward and other two turning backwards. You're not broken, you're just pulling yourself apart without even realizing it. But once you bring your thoughts, emotions, and actions into alignment, manifestation stops feeling like struggle and starts feeling like a flow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, and by the end, you'll understand how to make your inner and outer world work as one. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. Let's start by understanding why this misalignment even happens in the first place. Most people live in mental chaos. They think positive thoughts in the morning, but by afternoon they are worrying again. They say affirmations like I'm abundant while feeling anxious about money. They set goals that sound good on paper but don't feel true in their heart. This inner conflict creates resistance. You send mixed signals to your subconscious mind and the universe mirrors that confusion back to you. So it's not that the manifestation doesn't work for you, it's that all parts of you aren't moving in the same direction. And that's exactly what we are going to fix. Because when you understand how these three forces, your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions work together, manifestation becomes natural and inevitable. So let's break them down one by one. Think of your reality like a symphony. Your thoughts are the notes, your emotions are the melody, and your actions are the performance. Even if one of them is out of tune, the whole song feels off. So here's how they work. First, let's talk about your thoughts. Your thoughts are the electrical signals. They spark the initial signal in your brain. Your thoughts literally rewire the neural pathways, teaching your subconscious mind what to focus on and what to ignore. Next is your emotions. Your emotions are the fuel. Your emotions amplify those thoughts, broadcasting your energy into the world. And the last thing is your actions, which is the physical part of you. Your actions are how you ground that energy into matter, how you translate that invisible thing into visible. When these three things align, your whole being starts vibrating towards your desires. But when they conflict, you create friction instead of flow. Now, how do you know that you are out of alignment? Let's decode that next. Sometimes misalignment hides under awareness, but there are clues like emotional, mental, and behavioral clues. The first type of misalignment is the thought emotion misalignment. Let's say you're saying affirmations but still feel anxious. You are visualizing success but still secretly expect failure. If you are experiencing this, then you are in the thought emotion misalignment state. The next state is the emotion action misalignment. Let's say you feel inspired but procrastinate, or you take action but it's driven by fear and not faith. If you are experiencing this, then you are in the emotion action misalignment state. And the third state is action thought misalignment. You dream of abundance but spend money from a scarcity mindset. You want love but you are afraid to let anyone else get close to you. If you are experiencing this, then you are in the thought action misalignment state. But don't worry, none of this means you are failing. It just means that your system is trying to find coherence, and coherence begins with the mind. So next, let's start where all the manifestation begins, which is your thoughts. Your thoughts are the blueprint of your future, but most people think like architects without a plan. Coherent thoughts are clear, specific, and believable. Like instead of saying I want to be successful, you can say I run a thriving business that serves people beautifully and creates abundance for me and others. Instead of saying I will be confident, you can say I am calm and comfortable in my own energy. You see the difference? Your subconscious doesn't respond to wishful language, it responds to clarity and conviction. But even the clearest thought is powerless without the emotional charge behind it. So let's align the next layer, which is your emotions. Emotions are your magnetic field. They attract experiences that match their frequency. But here's the mistake most people make. They force themselves to feel happy about the things that don't even exist yet. And let's be honest, it literally feels fake. True emotional alignment means finding real reasons to feel good now. For example, you can be grateful for what already exists in your life. You can appreciate yourself for how far you have come. You can feel excited for what's unfolding in your future. You can feel the love for the person you are becoming. You don't need to feel high vibe all the time. Just consciously choose emotions that support your desires and not contradict it. And once your emotions align, the next step is to let them move into action. But not forced action, it should be an inspired action. Action is where the invisible becomes visible. But not all action carries the same energy. Forced action is what you do out of fear or pressure. It feels heavy, draining, and disconnected. Inspired action flows from alignment. It feels natural, exciting, sometimes even effortless. You see the difference? Your body knows. If an action feels expansive, it's a yes for your body. If it feels tight and contradict, then it's a resistance. It's a big no. When you start listening to your inner guidance, you'll notice something magical. Life starts sending you signs and synchronicities, and that's where the real momentum begins. When you are aligned, the universe begins to mirror that alignment back to you. You meet the right person at the right time. You stumble upon the exact idea or resource you needed. Doors to multiple opportunities starts opening for you. These aren't coincidences. They are confirmations that your energy and reality are finally speaking the same language. But to sustain that flow, you need a system, something that keeps you aligned every single day. So let's build that system now. Here's a simple but powerful ritual to help you stay in alignment throughout your day. To keep your thoughts, emotions, and actions working together instead of working against each other. In the morning before you start your day, take a quiet moment for yourself. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and ask this question to yourself. Do my thoughts, emotions, and actions point in the same direction today? Visualize your day unfolding with calm focus. Set a simple intention, not just what you want to do, but how you want to feel as you do it. If your mind is scattered, gently bring it back to your core desire, the version of you are becoming. This morning alignment sets the energetic tone for everything that follows. At some point during the day, maybe during lunch or a short break, pause for a minute. Notice how you are feeling and what you have been thinking about. Ask yourself, am I still moving from alignment or have I slipped into my old patterns? If you feel tension, frustration, or self-doubt, don't fight it. Simply breathe, reset your posture, and shift your energy with a single thought. I choose to return to alignment now. Even one small moment of awareness can redirect your entire day. And in the night before you sleep, reflect gently. Ask yourself this question: where did I stay in harmony today? Where did I drift away? Celebrate the moments when you stayed connected to your intention, no matter how small they seem. And for the moments of misalignment, simply acknowledge them without judgment. They are not failures, they are feedback. Let that awareness soften your energy before you sleep. Because awareness is alignment, it brings your consciousness back to the center. Over time, these small daily check-ins create powerful energetic coherence. You will start to feel more centered, more confident, and more at ease, even when life feels uncertain. And that coherence doesn't just stay within you, it begins to ripple outwards. That's the compound effect of alignment, the quiet, invisible power that transforms your entire reality over time. Every moment of alignment adds energy to your manifestation. Your brain filters for opportunities, your energy becomes magnetic, your actions become inspired and sustainable. The more you practice alignment, the easier your manifestation feels. It's no longer about trying, it's about being. You stop chasing reality and start creating it. So remember, when your thoughts, emotions, and actions move in harmony, you become unshakable. This is the true power of conscious manifestation. If you want to go deeper into this journey, watch my previous video on embodiment and identity shifting. It beautifully connects with what we talked about today. And if you haven't already, I have created a manifestation playlist that explains everything from how your brain creates your reality to subconscious reprogramming, visualization, and energy alignment. You can start from the first video and watch one video each day. It's a complete transformation path. Comment below and tell me which topic should I cover next. Maybe something about detachment or trusting divine timing. I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your mind, heart, and actions in harmony and watch your reality shift before your eyes. Thank you so much for watching this video.